Hello everyone. So I hope you all are doing well and keeping fit and fine. So here today I will be discussing the last what to say subject for paper 1, that is environmental science, EVS. All right. So let us go down. Where is that EVS? All right. So EVS is here, right? So let me quickly zoom this particular subject. All right. So what do we see here? There are different units, and I think there are two sections. Yes, there are two sections in different units. All right. So all right, let me take my pen. Great. So this EVS will be for 30 marks, and believe me or not, you know, if you have a clear understanding of general awareness, then about your environment, then basics of everything, right, then you can score 30 out of 30 in EVS. It is one of the easiest scoring subject in Mtet, be it paper 1. All right, yes, paper 2 we don't have. So in paper 1. So all right, so let us see what does EVS have in here. So let us first go to unit 1. So nature and scope. See, whatever we study, first of all we need to know the nature of that particular topic, right, subject. So nature and scope of EVS, then importance of teaching learning EVS at primary stage. Now see, as teachers we will have to learn what are the importance of teaching or learning EVS at the primary level, that is from classes 1 to classes 5, 1 to 5. So why do we need to learn this particular subject from class 1 onwards? So there are certain important point significance of this particular subject. That's why we need to learn from class 1 to 5. And you know what, to your surprise, uh, you will be learning this EVS up to degree level, up to your graduation. From class 1 to graduation we learn this environmental science, and this is very very important. So now let us see unit 2. Unit 2, we have learning objectives of EVS with reference to NCF 2005. All right. So learning objectives, we will be learning about the objectives. What are the different objectives of EVS with reference to what? NCF, National Curriculum Framework 2005. See, let me give you a star mark here. This is very important, my dear friends. So you can just for whatever exam you're preparing for the teacher, or maybe you want to pursue your studies further, maybe you plan to do B.Ed or you plan to do M.Ed, what you this NCF and all these things will always come on your way. So it is very important for you to learn NCF 2005 when you see it for the first time, right, so that it becomes easy for you. So यूनिट नंबर 3, इसमें क्या है? असेसमेंट है, ठीक है, असेसमेंट, टाइप्स ऑफ असेसमेंट. सो हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ असेसमेंट आते हैं, ये सब देखेंगे हम. देन पर्पस ऑफ असेसमेंट, असेसमेंट का पर्पस क्या है, क्यों असेसमेंट होता है. देन टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स, क्या क्या टूल्स है, क्या क्या टेक्निक्स है फॉर असेसिंग ईवीएस को असेस करने के लिए. दिस ऑल्सो वी विल सी. राइट नाउ लर्निंग रिसोर्सेज, यूनिट 4 में क्या है, लर्निंग रिसोर्सेज इंक्लूडिंग लोकल रिसोर्सेज क्या होते हैं. So this also we will be learning. Now unit 5, this is the last unit of this section. So approaches to teaching learning environmental science. तो हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे, अप्रोचेस कैसे पढ़ते हैं हम लोग EVS. ऑब्जर्वेशन से पढ़ते हैं, डिस्कशन से पढ़ते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट से पढ़ते हैं, विजिट्स फील्ड विजिट से पढ़ते हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट से पढ़ते हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड और क्या है, एक्टिविटी बेस. राइट, एक्टिविटी करके भी हम EVS पढ़ते हैं. सो एनवायरमेंटल साइंस EVS इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एज आई सेड, right, because we live in an environment, right, we ourselves, we live in an environment, so we are directly related with the environment. So whatever is happening around us, right, whatever is happening around us, we are involved in it. So that's why this particular subjects become very important for us to learn. Now let us go to the second section, that is section B, and this section B will be for 15 marks. I don't know whether I told you or not, this section A is for, yes, I think I haven't told you, this section A is for 15 marks and section B is also for 15 marks. और हाँ, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था पेडागोजी, देखो इसमें भी पेडागोजी है, तो ये 15 मार्क तो आपके आएंगे ही आएंगे अगर आप पेडागोजी अच्छे से पढ़ते हो तो, ठीक है. यू जस्ट नीड टू स्टडी पेडागोजी एंड यू 15 मार्क्स आर कंफर्म्ड. और उसके बाद में अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ते हो कंटेंट, ये जो भी टॉपिक्स यहाँ पे डिस्कस किए, तो और भी आपके 15 मार्क्स आ सकते हैं, इन टोटल 30 मार्क्स. अब देखते हैं हम लोग यूनिट 6 में क्या है. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस, क्या क्या नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है हमारे पास? एयर है, वाटर है एंड कंजर्वेशन है, ठीक है। ये हमारे पास नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज वी हैव. We all know about the air, we all know about the water and conservation, right? Air, water and conservation, how do we conserve them, right? Then unit 7 में क्या है? Our environment. What? Our environment. So land and people, where do we live? We live on land, right? Land and people. Then plants, we are directly or indirectly related with plants. We are directly or indirectly related with animals. We are correlated, right? All these components are correlated. Then we have food. Food is also a topic in unit 8. Now we have unit 9, matter and materials around us. So what are the different types of matters, and what are the different types of materials it is made up of? So these things also we need to learn. Now one of the main and like what to say, one of the most important topic, that is pollution and control of pollution. So as we know, there are different types of pollution, be it air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, radioactive pollution, soil pollution, right? So there are different types of pollution. So all these types of pollutions we have to learn. And my dear friends, these topics are very easy. So I'm 100% sure you will score very well in these topics. Now unit 11, here let us see Meghalaya. See, I hope you all are feeling proud our own state, Meghalaya. So Meghalaya, we have to study about the physical features of Meghalaya, vegetation of Meghalaya, climate of Meghalaya. Our state is very famous for its climate, right? So we need to study about the climate of Meghalaya. Then wildlife. We have got different what to say, biosphere reserves and national park also, right? Then origin origin and life of, see, a proud moment, origin and life of Khasis and Garos and their occupations, all right? So here we will learn about the people, we'll learn about their lifestyle, we'll learn about the occupations, right? And we'll learn about the wildlife, climate, physical features, everything about the Meghalaya as a whole, right? Now the last unit, what we will learn, northeastern region physical features. Now when we speak about northeastern region, what are the states which are included in northeast? So I'm sure you can name all of them. So Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Tripura, all these these are the different states, right, of northeast India. So their physical features are something which we have to learn about, right? So I know, like this EVS is going to be very scoring, and I'm sure all of you will score very good marks in this. So when like when it is very difficult for us to, so those who feel scared of other subjects like mathematics and language, so you can take advantage of this particular EVS. So EVS is a very good subject, very easy one and very important one. So I hope this particular subject will help you to score, but then what I feel is like you don't have to score so much in all these like TET examinations. Why? Because see, you just have to be eligible. So even if you get pass mark, you're already there, right? So like as far as my knowledge is concerned, I think you just need to qualify. Even if you get less mark or more mark, doesn't matter, but you just have to qualify the examination, right? But still, like those who want to go for perfection, you can always give it a try to score 100 out of 100. But then yes, it is not compulsory that you have to score very high in these examinations, right? So if you pass means you pass. And as we already know that these certificates, be it Mtet, that is Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test, or be it CTET, that is Central Teachers Eligibility Test certificates, these certificates are valid for lifetime, right? And we don't have to give the examinations on and on. Once you pass, even with average marks, it's enough for the whole life, right? You are eligible. So whatever. So I hope this is clear. So let me just zoom this image for you so that you can take a good screenshot. right, here it is. So dear friends, kindly take a screenshot of this particular syllabus. I hope you have already taken the screenshot of this. So thank you so much for listening, for being there. Any suggestions, any feedback are always welcome. तो मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, आई होप आप लोगों को भी मज़ा आ रहा है. तो we'll go on. So next what we will be doing is yes. So see, हम लोग ने पेपर 1 ख़त्म कर लिया है, ठीक है. पेपर 1 में क्या था, CDP था, देन लैंग्वेजेस था, लैंग्वेज 1 लैंग्वेज 2 था, देन वी हैड मैथमेटिक्स एंड इवेंचुअली वी हैड दिस EVS, ठीक है. सो ये सब खत्म हो गया, अभी पेपर 1 का सब कुछ हमने पढ़ लिया है, ठीक है. अभी नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट वीडियो हमारा होगा पेपर 2 के ऊपर, ठीक है. उसकी सिलेबस को हम देखेंगे, लाइक just like this, just like whatever we have done for paper 1, we'll do accordingly for paper 2 as well, right? तो पेपर 2 को भी हम पढ़ेंगे. उसके बाद में वंस वी कंप्लीट पेपर 2, तब हम क्या करेंगे, तब हम स्लोली स्लोली एक लाइक एग्जांपल पेपर 1 से हम CDP का वो उठाएंगे, ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट उठाएंगे. उसके बाद में CDP का टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक वी विल लर्न, देन आई विल we will learn, then you will get notes also. Yes, it doesn't mean that 100% notes I will be providing you or I will be able to provide you, but yes, of course, whatever help I can do for you, I will definitely do it. I will definitely do it. And you're most welcome to ask me for any guidance or any suggestions you want. And you know what, I don't think like you need to buy any book in order to pass your Mtet examination, because I myself also, I did not buy any. I studied everything from online sources, from YouTube videos, and from blogs, then articles, journals, right? So I studied from there only. So I hope you can do the same. So you don't have to worry, it's very easy. And जितना सकूंगा मैं आप लोगों को हेल्प करूंगा, ठीक है. जितना सकूंगा मैं नोट्स बना के दूंगा आप लोगों को. आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट लेना, उसको हाथ से लिखना, ठीक है, लिखना, उसके बाद में अपना खुद का नोट्स बनाना. एंड आफ्टर दैट लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स टू डू, यू नो. मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा, सैम्पल्स भी, सैम्पल पेपर्स है, वो सॉल्व कर सकते हो आप लोग. उसके बाद में there are so many things to do. So once we finish our syllabus briefing, after that we'll study with our actual lessons, right? With our actual lessons we'll start, and then we'll see what can we do, right? So this is all in this video. Thank you everyone for being there. Thank you everyone for your support and love. Thank you.